Hi, this is Anjaneyulu, Physics faculty. Welcome to Narayana online classes. Today we are going to discuss 7th class physics. The topic is uniform acceleration and non-uniform acceleration. So acceleration means the rate of change of velocity of a body is called acceleration. But when we are saying that acceleration is uniform, when the acceleration is uniform. So here if a body started at A, traveling B, again traveling C. So in this one, the change in velocity from A to B and B to C are equal and the time intervals also equal. That means if a body travels with equal change in velocities in equal time interval, then the acceleration is called uniform acceleration. Next, what is non-uniform acceleration? So here if the body travels with equal change in velocities in unequal time intervals, then the acceleration is called non-uniform acceleration. See, in a uniform acceleration, for every second the speed of a body increases uniformly. But in case of non-uniform acceleration, so we can't say the speed is changes orderly or in order. So here because the acceleration is non-uniform, automatically the change in velocity also variable. So not a fixed changes we can observe. Now based upon this uniform acceleration, non-uniform acceleration, first bit if a body moves with uniform acceleration of, if a body moves with uniform acceleration of 9 meter per second square for 8 seconds, for 8 seconds, then find its velocity, then find its velocity. So what are the options here? 72 meter per second, second option 8 by 9 meter per second, third option 48 meter per second, fourth option 29 meter per second. So here what is the solution? So in this one, if a body moves with uniform acceleration, so A value is 9 meter per second square and time value is 8 seconds. Then find its velocity. So basic formula A equal to V minus U by T. So in this the acceleration is 9. So here body moves with uniform acceleration. So V minus U means here we are taking change in velocity. So our velocity, simply we are taking V here and the time taken is 8. Therefore V equal to, so in this condition is starts from rest. Starts from rest. That is the condition. Then U will be 0. 9 equal to V by 8. V equal to 72 meter per second. V equal to 72 meter per second. So that's why first option is correct. Next, second bit. If a body moves with uniform acceleration, then the motion is, if a body moves with uniform acceleration, then the motion is, The motion is uniform motion. Second option, non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion. Third, variable motion. Variable motion. And fourth one is both 2 and 3. Both 2 and 3. Okay. So in this problem, what is the condition if a body moves with uniform acceleration? So uniform acceleration means, for example, body started at A, its initial velocity is 0 meter per second. Okay, after 1 second, for example, if you say the acceleration is 10 meter per second square, so after 1 second, so here the velocity is 10 meter per second. The velocity is 10 meter per second. Next 1 second, so it is in a uniform motion, so definitely the velocity is not 10 meter per second. The velocity is definitely more than 10 meter per second. So that's why at A 0, at B 10 meter per second, at C other than 10 meter per second means the motion is not a constant. So that's why the motion is non-uniform. So motion is non-uniform motion, and otherwise we can call it as a variable motion. So non-uniform motion and variable motion both are satisfying. That's why both 2 and 3 is correct. So fourth option is correct. Next, third bit. If acceleration is not constant, if acceleration is not constant, if acceleration is not constant, then the motion is, if acceleration is not constant, then the motion is. So here first one is uniform motion, second one is non-uniform motion, and third one is non-uniform acceleration. Non-uniform acceleration, and fourth one is both 2 and 3. Both 2 and 3. So in this one, if acceleration is not constant, acceleration is not constant means the acceleration is variable. So variable acceleration we are also called non-uniform acceleration. So that's why here if acceleration is not constant, then that motion is non-uniform motion definitely, because time to time the velocity of the body changes. So that's why it is a non-uniform motion, and this acceleration is not constant, that we are called as a non-uniform acceleration. So here non-uniform motion and non-uniform acceleration, that's why both 2 and 3 correct. So fourth option is correct. Next, fourth one. If the change in velocity of a body is 0, if the change in velocity of a body is 0, then acceleration is, then acceleration is, first option uniform acceleration, uniform acceleration, second option non-uniform acceleration, and the third one is zero acceleration, and fourth one is negative acceleration, negative acceleration. So what is the problem? If the change in velocity of a body is zero, so change in velocity means v minus u, that is equal to delta v, that value is zero given. So what is the basic definition of acceleration? A equal to v minus u by t. So here v minus value is 0. So 0 by t. So A equal to 0. So that means the acceleration is 0 acceleration. If change in velocity is 0, the acceleration is 0 acceleration. That's why third option is correct. Okay, thank you.